You all know that German is a pretty hard language to learn, but it doesn't have to be. Everybody knows that it's easiest to learn anything when you're having fun doing it. And when it comes to learning German, most people unfortunately end up taking group classes with grumpy old German teachers, or they just use apps to study German. But let's be honest, nothing about that is fun. The best way to learn is by enjoying the process. That's why Learn German with Anja, me and many other creators have come together to create a German learning course in video form, which you can watch like any other Netflix series. And I know that all of you watch way too much Netflix. Only with this, now you can actually learn something while doing so. The course is well structured, there's a lot of work behind it, it's fun, it's absurd, and you will see many familiar faces from the social media realm in there. Earlier this year, we were already launching level A1 and A2, and this week, B1 is finally coming out. But before I tell you more, here's the trailer.
Wo ist denn hier der nächste Bäcker, ey?
Gogo, in diesem Kaff gibt's keinen Bäcker.
Da ist irgendjemand.
Oh, hallo! Na, was geht?
Hallo, ist da jemand?
Sie sind alle bescheuert.
Sogar frisch.
Holen Sie mal das Bügeleisen. Huch, Gogo,
Kathi.
du bist ja nackt. Wer ist schwanger?
Hier wird studiert und nicht Cartoon können.
Oh, du checkst echt gar nichts. Gogo, was hast du schon wieder angestellt?
Nichts.
Triplets! 3 Teller! Oh, sind Sie wahnsinnig?
Ein bisschen.
Hartz IV bezahlt mein Bier.
Es wird leider nicht jeder angenommen, mit dem Bier trinkt.
Ich glaube, wir müssen doch kuscheln, Bobby.
Soll ich Ihnen vielleicht noch den Po abwischen?
Vielleicht der Schlauch da. Ah!
Ei.
Schachmatt. Loser.
Möglicherweise ein riesengroßer Fehler.
Wie kannst du mein Kind Fehler nennen? Ganz ehrlich, du bist ja Fehler.
Ja. Aber vergiss nicht, dich abzukühlen, okay?
Ja, yeah, mach ich.
Bis morgen dann.
Schachmatt.
Okay, that was the trailer. The whole course follows a continuous story and each level has 60 real-life dialogues. So everything you learn, you can immediately apply in real life. Every week you get 2 units to work on. 1 unit has like 3 videos in it and all that for a total of 10 weeks. It's a 10-week challenge. That's the idea behind it. So that you can learn a whole level, A1, A2 or B1 in just 10 weeks. So if you are going to participate in B1 right now, you will be finished just in time for Christmas. And of course, there's much more than just video units. There's writing exercises, speaking exercises, flashcards, there's German tutors to help you and you can ask them questions, and obviously a community of other German learning students who are taking part. And if you worry about not having enough time in 10 weeks to finish everything, don't worry, you can also do it in your own pace because you have lifetime access to everything. So, if you want to enroll for the B1 10-week challenge, you can do so by Sunday, the 16th of October, and then the course will start for everyone the following Monday. And if you're not ready to take on level B1 right now, level A1 and A2 are also open at the moment. Just check the link in the description to see all the details, and don't forget to use my discount code Radical Living 15, you get 15% off. And if you're not sure if this is really something for you, you can try it out risk-free for 30 days with a money-back guarantee. That's it for today. Wish you a lot of fun studying, everyone. See you in the course.